We want to show you some different grill options that you might want to buy your favorite dad. Charcoal options, fun options, all kinds of options.
But no electric and no
There's
gas.
no pellet smokers here. There's no easy bake ovens here.
No.
Hello and welcome back to the channel. So today is a little bit different video. Right, babe?
Oh boy.
Right. We're outside, again, on the world's smallest patio, and we want to give you guys a patio tour. And the reason that we want to do it now is Father's Day is coming up. When is Father's Day? June 20th?
June
21st?
20th, yep.
Something like that. Middle of June, Father's Day. Write it down, take a picture. Yes.
June 20th.
So we're going to give you a tour of the world's smallest patio. And full disclaimer, we have not cleaned the patio. We have not cleaned the grills. We have not organized anything. It literally looks like tweakers live here and hoarders.
You're the only hoarder I know, and I clean the patio all the time.
But
Yeah.
the purpose of the video is we want to show you some different grill options that you might want to buy your favorite dad. Charcoal options, fun options, all kinds of options.
But no
So,
electric and no
There's
gas.
no pellet smokers here. There's no easy bake ovens here.
No.
This is real man stuff. Right, babe?
Manly.
Oh boy, the comments are going to be spicy. Anyway, so we're going to give you a tour of the world's smallest patio. We're going to show you the grills that we own. We're going to show you the herbs that babe grows.
Oh, yeah.
Not that type of herb.
Don't get crazy.
Don't get crazy. And yeah, and to give you guys some ideas. There's links below for a ton of stuff that you could buy your favorite dad. Even if you don't use our links below.
What about my unfavorite dad? What do I buy him?
A lump of coal.
Oh, okay.
Coal. We're going to talk about coal.
Okay.
There you go. Anyways, all right. Here we go. World's smallest patio tour. What grills to buy for Father's Day 2021. And here we go. Okay, babe. So the first thing we're talking about is the Oklahoma Joe's offset Highland smoker. You bought this for me, babe.
I did, as your gift.
And
for
how
your
much was
9th
it?
round of chemo. I think it was $350.
$350 to $300. And you bought it at
Lowe's.
Okay.
And then I had them actually assemble it. They assemble it for free. And then they delivered it for a really stupid amount of money. So if you can bring it home yourself, I suggest doing that.
Okay, so this is the Oklahoma Joe's. This is a stick burner. It's an offset smoker. It has a huge cook chamber right there, like Babe's showing. Has a little shelf in the front. The grill grates are porcelain. So right here, this area is for indirect smoking, offset, not the hot side cooking. But you could put coals there if you want, but I don't. Right, babe? Right.
Yeah.
And then you have the firebox, which is right there.
Oh, it's still hot.
Yes.
From last night.
Full of Jealous Devil charcoal.
Yeah. And then you have...
And there's
chimney.
extra grill grates that they give you to put in the firebox so that you could do a direct hot 500-degree sear on whatever you want. So you could cook there, you could cook here, and it's actually phenomenal. You can run lump charcoal.
We bought an extra.
And then we bought the extra temperature gauge, which was like $17 or something like that. And you can run lump charcoal, you can run splits of wood, you can run briquette, you can do whatever you want. There's just a lot of stuff that you can do with it. And it's really, really awesome. And it's big and beefy. Like me, babe.
Yeah, like you.
Okay. Our next cooker.
Well, I walked 1.5 inches to our next cooker.
Which is the classic 22-inch
Weber.
Weber kettle premium in copper, but you can get the black one too. And let me show you guys something here. Hold on one second. So this particular one is set up with the slow and sear, Jealous Devil charcoal, Max briquettes, and the drip and griddle. Which, can we talk about that, babe?
Well, I want to talk about how easy it is for me to clean.
Yeah.
I use Super Clean. I spray it on, and it literally is clean within 30 seconds. So you need to get some Super Clean, because otherwise, I don't know.
But more
it's
importantly,
really
as far as the Weber kettle goes, I got to tell you guys, I love you.
I love you. Okay.
More importantly, I got to tell you guys, 2-zone cooking, indirect, direct. You could put wood in there, you could smoke. You can make this thing raging hot, you could do a direct sear. You can do burgers, dogs, pork butts. You could do literally anything. The most versatile cooker in the world, the most fantastic barbecue in the world, and true or false, babe, once you cook on charcoal, you'll never go back.
Never.
It's fantastic.
Gas, gross.
Charcoal, yes.
Charcoal, yes.
Okay.
Pellets,
We don't have a pellet smoker, so we don't comment on the easy bake
pellets
ovens.
are silly.
Anyways, if you guys need a Weber kettle, your dad will absolutely love that. That is my favorite cooker of all times. And it's super easy. There's a zillion videos on it. It cooks amazing
I had
food.
one for myself when I was a single woman, and I could even use it.
They're amazing.
Yeah, they're
and
great.
what are they? $150?
Yeah.
I think. Mm-hmm. And I think you can get the black one
was
with
like
$98.
$98.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you guys, a Weber kettle, yes.com, .org, .gov. Right, babe?
Yeah, babe.
Right. And on to our next cooker. Introduce the next cooker.
Let's introduce our neighbors that are throwing a party like they do every weekend. And
Yeah,
they just blare music.
We don't throw parties here.
We
On the
just have
world's
to
smallest patio.
We have to look up the mountain and listen to their fantastic music.
Yeah, we don't.
Okay.
We don't throw parties.
No
over
parties here. So we have the Pit Boss 5-burner
Flat top griddle.
flat top griddle.
Yes.
Okay.
Propane powered.
Correct.
Absolutely epic.
Wonderful.
You should open the cover, babe. And the reason why this griddle is also awesome is because it comes with a built-in cover, which I liked over other brands. Right, babe?
Yeah. I think so. They were a really nice company. They helped us. They actually sent us the first one, did not work. So they got us a new one real quick. And it's fantastic. It's easy to use. It doesn't use a whole lot of propane. It gets pretty hot.
And now
And
when you
I
open
can
up
use
the
this right
covers, you have like shelves that you can
Yeah,
like store your
shelves.
food.
Yeah.
When we do our cooks and stuff like that. A ton of surface area. It rolls. The propane tank is on there. And I forget how much it was. $300? Something like that?
I think it was 300, yeah.
300 or 350?
Yep.
And amazing.
Yeah.
And we really, really love.
You can make so many things on it. It's so much fun.
It's fun to cook outside.
Yeah.
A flat top griddle's super, super fun. There's a lot of stuff that you can cook on it. There's so many good griddle YouTube channels.
If you don't know what a griddle is, it's like a giant cast iron, or if you're cooking.
It's cold rolled steel, babe.
Okay. Well, if you're cooking inside your house and you're cooking on your stove, it's like having a giant stove out here, so you can cook anything.
So we like that a lot.
Yeah.
And actually, the Pit Boss has worked out very, very well. It's cheaper than a lot of the competitors, and it's a really, really nice product. So
We love it.
check that out here on the world's smallest patio.
Okay.
On to the next cooker, babe. What is this hose?
So, our patio is so small, we don't have room for a hose holder. So we put our hose onto our largest couch.
Why don't you let
which
me
is-
sell this couch and I'll have room for more grills?
No, because we need to have somewhere to sit.
But we don't really.
But our largest couch is literally the size of like the 2 children. Well, we have 3 kids, but like 2 of the 3 kids. It's pretty bad. And you put all your charcoal, and I've got plants, and it's embarrassing.
Yeah.
But you know what? My basil and my mint are looking fantastic. My cilantro is...
Oh, I guess right now we're talking about the herbs you're growing. Go ahead, babe.
my cilantro is looking a little sad. But my mint and my basil look great.
Nice
And
job,
then we
babe.
just stack charcoal up over here. Okay. So anyways, pit barrel cooker. Here we go.
Talk
This
about it,
right
babe.
here is fantastic. We love this company. This was the very first company to send us anything. And they sent it to us with a blue line flag with a love for police officers. And it is the greatest rib cooker ever. Oh, hello.
I mean, not only do we cook ribs on it,
Yeah.
we've cooked a ton of stuff on it.
Yeah.
This was the first company to ever give us a chance.
Right.
Open that thing up, babe. So the charcoal goes at the bottom. You have that grate. You can take that grate out. You can hang ribs on these 2 rods. You can grill things on there.
Mm-hmm.
You can cook. Once you set it and forget it, it'll run at 275 regardless.
Yeah.
It is the easiest.
You
most
have to follow the directions.
But it's the easiest, most versatile cooker
Exactly.
ever. And
If
the
you
food
follow
is,
what they say to do.
Yes.
Yes. Because we know so many people who have bought one and they're like, we don't like this. And we're like, well, are you following the rules? Well, no, I'm doing my own thing. No. If you follow what they say to do, you will have perfect food.
Especially ribs. That is a
Especially
rib
ribs.
machine.
Yeah.
You can do 8 racks of
Yeah.
ribs, and look at how little the footprint is of this.
Yeah.
It's very, very tiny. You can do 8 racks of ribs. You can do corn. We've done pork shoulders. We've done a ton of stuff on it. And the company is phenomenal. Like, you could literally call the owner
Oh, they're so
and
nice.
just talk to him.
Yeah.
Like, him and his wife are amazing.
Wonderful people.
Amazing people.
Yes.
Pit barrel cooker.
Yes.
200 thumbs up. We love them. Right, babe?
A million thumbs
A
up.
million thumbs up. Okay, babe, talk about our favorite charcoal. Favorite charcoal. Go ahead.
So, Jealous Devil is fantastic. We really have no room. This is so embarrassing. So,
Yeah, it looks like hoarders.
I mean, this is bad.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
like, literally, if you do a pan right now, if you did like a panoramic picture, I'm standing here and I can touch everything we have. And I have like very short legs. I'm like 5 feet tall and I can touch everything. So,
Yeah.
that tells you how big our patio is.
Yeah. Anyways, Jealous Devil,
is the
a
greatest.
boutique charcoal company.
Yeah.
Burns hotter, burns longer, lasts longer, fantastic flavor. That is a weatherproof bag that is waterproof, that is like a Ziploc at the top for their lump charcoal. This is their max briquettes, which are double the size of the blue bag, of the common blue bag. Double the size, double the length, double the fun, double the girth.
Double the burn?
Double the burn.
Yeah.
Yeah, babe. Fantastic company. DM them on Instagram. Tell them Josh and Babe sent you. They are super responsive. They'll talk to you. It's amazing. A little tiny bit more money than the blue bag,
But worth it.
but 100%
Sometimes
worth it.
more expensive is worth it in the long run.
Yes.
So,
There you go.
Yeah.
There's the world's smallest patio. 2 chairs, a Weber kettle, a pit barrel cooker, a hose, a little couch, some Jealous Devil, some plants, some basil, some mint, some cilantro, Babe's succulents that she's doing. Babe has a pineapple right there. I just learned what that meant recently.
I did too, and it's embarrassing that we have that now.
So you're going to
It's
throw away the
weird.
pineapple? That's the bug catcher.
It's weird. Yeah.
And that's it. Right, babe?
Yeah. And it's so small that, don't forget, I can touch everything. And all my...
So if you guys are shopping for your dad,
Yeah.
think about an offset.
Yes.
Think about a flat top griddle. Think about,
Your best bet
Weber
is going to
kettle.
be this right here.
The Weber kettle.
Really. Your best bet.
or the pit barrel cooker is not that expensive. I think pit barrel cookers are $200 or $300.
Yes.
I don't remember.
These are great and easy and timeless.
You can get yourself a hose from Costco.
Yeah.
Get yourself a pit barrel cooker.
That was also a gift
And-
you got for me, a hose.
That's it, babe.
You and your gifts.
That's right. So it's a little vlog style video today. We just wanted to show you guys a little tour of the world's smallest patio. And we have to roll our top tier channel members right now. We appreciate you guys so much. All of our channel members. Thank you, thank you, thank you. There's a little join button next to the subscribe button. Everybody that's hit that button, thank you, thank you, thank you. We appreciate it so much.
Thank you so much, you guys. You guys are the ones that make this whole thing possible.
I agree. And so Father's Day is coming up. Think about some of these fun little toys that you can get the
Yeah.
favorite dad in your life. We have a lot of fun cooking on them.
And if you want to get your dad that's a bad dad in your life,
a lump of coal, then buy him
Yeah.
some Jealous Devil because it's fantastic as
Perfect.
well.